Hey guys, Colin from Track Attack here. We're at Toronto Motorsports Park at the JRP Speed Therapy Day, and we're with our contest winner, Matt. So Matt is out today with us in his beautiful M2 here, and we're out having fun with him on the track and hopefully making him a little bit faster. So how's it going today, Matt?
Oh yeah, no, I'm picking up a lot of pointers. I was a little scared coming in, but no, it's been good.
Good. Yeah, I know so far we've done a couple sessions today. I have to say you've been an excellent student. You've definitely been applying everything I've been teaching you, and we haven't gone off yet, so that's definitely a bonus. Good for you.
Yeah, I've been trying not to kill you. So
That's good. I really appreciate that.
we can both walk away, so it'll be okay.
Exactly. Yeah, no, I think it's been great. Again, you have a great car for the track, and you've been doing really good today. I know I've been working on our vision and our steering and some basic inputs. You've been applying it quite well. Just curious, so far today, what has been like one takeaway you've had so far from your driving today?
The vision, like no question. Like as soon as you get in the rhythm of looking ahead every corner, the car moves itself, and your hands naturally follow like where your eyes go. So that for me, like that's been the best improvement for my line.
Yep.
You know, I've noticed that when I do look ahead, I set myself up better for the next corner, and that's been the best pointer I think for me.
Perfect. Good. Yeah. I know you've applied it very well, because once we started working in that in the last session, your cornering got a lot smoother. A couple of the corners I noticed the speed increased quite a bit too. And again, I don't know if that was on purpose or you're just kind of feeling more confident with the car now because you're starting to do some really good stuff with it.
Yep.
So either way, again, really good improvements so far. So nicely done, Matt. I got to say, doing really great so far today.
Thank you.
Cool.
Be fast as you by the end of the day.
I hope so. So Matt, you're here with us today, obviously through the contest. So thanks so much for being a subscriber and a viewer. Really appreciate your support. Now, the one question I'm wondering though, what's your favorite part about the show? We really like to get feedback from the viewers so we can continuously improve the product and make it something even more enjoyable for you guys to watch. So what's your favorite part of the show?
Yeah, I like the kind of Top Gear vibe it's got, like the head-to-head, the track action, just seeing cars compete against each other and kind of which is better. Studio audience is pretty cool. You should invite me next time.
Oh, you're absolutely invited to our next session. Absolutely.
And the drone photography is amazing. Like those guys behind the camera must be awesome. Like they were following you through that autocross, one episode, and like that was amazing.
Cool. Now, curious though, what's one of the things maybe you think we could improve or do better with the show? Or something maybe you'd like to see in the future?
Any off-track stuff would be kind of cool, like road tests maybe, here and there, just kind of for the casual viewer, I guess. It is called Track Attack, but cars are just for the track. Yeah, like that, old Top Gear vibe of road trips and that kind of thing.
Yeah, that's actually great feedback. We actually do have some ideas that are coming down the pipe for some of those things you mentioned, so I'm not going to reveal too much right now, but we do have ideas coming, so hopefully that will kind of keep you happy once that stuff comes out.
Cool.
So that's great. So again, thanks so much, Matt, for coming out today, having fun with us, and we really appreciate your support, and we would love to have you out in the future for other events and other things we do, maybe even feature your car for an episode.
Yeah, for sure.
Awesome. Yeah, it would be great to have this featured against something. I'm sure there'll be lots of great matchups we could do with a car like this. And yes, we would absolutely love to have you come out and be part of our studio audience for the next episode. So hopefully we'll catch you soon, and we'll see you guys at the track.